Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be diving right into this video. This is what the frontal looks like. So I'll be showing you guys how to give it this natural illusion. No hairline is really this full, so I'm going to show you guys how to pluck it. So the first thing you'll be needing is your water bottle, your tail comb, your tweezer. This is different from the regular tweezer you use to fix your lashes. So the first step is to sprinkle water on the hairline to make your frontal visible so you can see what you're working with, and then you go in and comb it. And then the next step is to part the hair. Then you go ahead to comb it, and then you begin to pluck. Plucking is more like you're pulling out unwanted hair from the hairline. So I'm going to use the tweezer to pluck out the excess hair because I want the hairline to be scanty, to make it look more like a natural hair. So I'm just basically showing you guys how to pluck. You're going to go ahead and start plucking after parting the hair. So while you're plucking, you're going to be pinching the tweezer together to get rid of the hair. It might look like I'm not plucking anything, but in the end you see that I'm plucking out hairs, and you're going to see the hair that I actually plucked. So while you're plucking, you're not going to stay in one position. As you're plucking, you're going to be moving forward and backward, so you don't go ahead, so you don't over pluck. You get? So yeah, I'm just going to keep on plucking and keep moving forward and backward. Yeah, it's just to make the hairline scanty, to not make the frontal look too full when you're installing it. Yeah, that's the reason why we pluck. Some frontals come pre-plucked already and you don't need to really pluck much, but I like to pluck my hair. So yeah, that's the hair I plucked out from this very first line, and this is what the hairline looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and part the hair again and repeat the same process. Basically, I'm just going to be pulling out excess hair from the hairline to give it this very scanty illusion, because to be honest, no hairline comes really full. So the reason why we pluck is to make the frontal installation look seamless, to make it look natural as possible, if that makes sense. So yeah, while you're plucking, to not use too much power. Just be light and be gentle on the net so you don't use the tweezer to tear out the net. And yeah, so as I'm plucking, I'm going to be combing to make it visible to see what I've plucked so I don't over pluck. Yeah, and once it's dry, you're going to go ahead and spray it again and continue plucking. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up this process, but make sure you just look at what I'm doing to learn a bit. So after I'm done plucking in, I'm going to go ahead and comb back all the hair, and then go ahead and start plucking the hairline. You can see what the hairline looks like. It doesn't really look natural. It has this shape that I didn't like, so I had to just pluck out a little from the hairline. So yeah, let me just stop talking. So you can see how far I've plucked. I'm still going to go into pluck, but I want to show you the difference between the right hand side and the left hand side. You can see what the hair looks like when it came, and this is what it looked like after I've plucked a little bit. I'm still going to go in to pluck more because I'm not satisfied, and it was so uncomfortable to film on my lap and also pluck, so I decided to switch it and put it on my tripod stand. But I'm still going to go back to plucking on my lap actually. So as you can see, I am still not satisfied. I can still see some thick hairlines, so I'm still going to go in and part the hair and pluck the necessary parts. So you're just going to work with your eye gauge and what you want your hairline to look like. So basically I'm just going to keep on parting and plucking, but don't over pluck. Just while you're plucking, keep moving your hand and don't stay in one place so you don't over pluck one particular area. While you're plucking and you've parted the frontal, you do not, I repeat, do not touch the middle parting. In case your client wants to wear her hair middle parting, so the line in the middle does not look over plucked. So as you can see, I'm plucking close, but I'm not plucking on the middle line that I parted. So when you're plucking, do not pluck the middle line. Just avoid that middle part, if you understand what I mean. Just pluck beside, by the ear side and the front, but do not touch the middle line. Just spot the difference. There's no how you can tell me there's no difference between this side and the other side. So this is what it looked like, and this is what the other part look like. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck the other part. So I'm just using the same method of parting and spraying the hairline. I spray the hairline to make it really soft so it doesn't get hard for me to pull the hair out. That is the reason why I spray it with water. Some people don't spray it with water, that's fine, but spraying it with water actually makes it softer and easier. So this is me struggling to put this mannequin on a tripod stand and also pluck and film, but it was really hard, so I had to switch and put it on my lap because it's way easier to pluck on your lap, trust me. So I'm just going to repeat the same process of parting, plucking and combing. It's just a really easy step. Just watch what I'm doing closely and you're going to get the hang of it. So you're going to see that while I'm plucking, I use the back of my hand to smoothen the hair back. That is because I want to expose the hairline to see how thick the hairline looks. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like after I've plucked. I still went ahead to pluck the other side a bit more because I wasn't satisfied. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb to comb everything backward, and I'll be using my wax stick to make it look slicker. And after doing all this process and you're still not satisfied with the hairline, you can still go in and pluck a little bit more, but I was satisfied. I didn't want to over pluck it. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video so far and you've learned a thing or two. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and share this video so my video will get recommended by YouTube. Please really like my videos, please. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.